Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to create multiple TikTok accounts. Whether you're a content creator, a business, or just someone who likes to keep things interesting, having more than one TikTok account can be a game changer. So, let's get started. The process is quite simple, and it begins with opening your TikTok app on your smartphone. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your existing account. Now, to create an additional account, you need to go to the Profile tab. In the top right corner, you'll find 3 dots. Tap on those to access the settings. Scroll down in the settings menu until you find the Switch Accounts option. Tap on that, and you'll see an option to Add Account. TikTok will then guide you through the account creation process, just like when you first set up your original account. You'll need a unique email or phone number for each account, so make sure you have that ready. Once the new account is set up, you can easily switch between your accounts by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and selecting the account you want to use. And there you have it. You can now seamlessly navigate between multiple TikTok accounts without having to log in and out each time. Keep in mind that managing multiple accounts comes with responsibility. Follow TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service for each account to ensure a positive experience for yourself and your followers. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.